Okay, question number 3. How many valence electrons does an oxygen atom have? Okay, so let's think about an oxygen atom. If we were to look it up on the periodic table, we'd see that oxygen has an atomic number equal to 8. So this tells us that there are 8 protons in an oxygen atom. And it also tells us that if our oxygen was a neutral compound, then we also have 8 electrons in an oxygen atom as well. Just to balance out the charge of the 8 protons, we would also have 8 electrons. So now that we know that oxygen has 8 electrons, we can try to sketch out an electron diagram showing all of those electrons in oxygen. So there are 2 in the innermost shell. And then now that I know that I wrote down 2, I need 6 more in an oxygen atom. So let's just draw 6 in the next shell. And this is kind of like a picture of an oxygen atom. So when we refer to the valence electrons, these are the electrons in the outermost shell. So if we look at the oxygen atom diagram that we drew, there are 8 electrons in total, but there are only 6 in the outermost shell. So therefore, we can say that oxygen has 6 valence electrons. Okay, so let's see what the junior tutor said. Oxygen has 8 electrons, and 2 electrons are in the first energy level, occupying a spherical orbital. So that's also known as the s orbital. And the 6 electrons are in the second energy level, the outermost energy level, since this level can accommodate 8 electrons. So 2 in an s orbital and 6 in the p orbitals. Hence, oxygen has 6 valence electrons. Okay, so the solution is correct.